So here we are back again with the 1986 Honda 350D 4-tracks. Went ahead and did the front and rear diff. Rear was kind of milky. Front was straight water. It was awful, which to me kind of verified that this thing was in water not long ago, because the guy said he changed all the fluids right before winter. If that's the case, that engine got highly abused by the oil that came out of it, because it was dirty, black, and terrible. Rear end, I wasn't overly concerned about a little milky oil, but the front was straight water. And the main point of this video is going to be, I believe that I have the worst wheel bearings, perhaps ever. Now you see, you have this side. You know, you look at it, you're like, alright, it's kind of bad, you know, not too bad, but kind of bad. But then you like really move it, like that's god awful. Alright, you know, that side's pretty bad. You come over to this side though, you just got a little bit of this. Wish I could get a better way of showing how much that thing really moves. So yeah, this thing is just god awful. So my only real hope now is that the bearings didn't get into the shaft. I haven't torn anything apart yet because I'm waiting on parts, and currently I have to keep this thing immobile because this isn't my shop, so I just move it in and out every night or every morning and every evening, I guess. But yeah, I should know how those are within the next couple days. Downside is I learned that there's a small rip in the boot right there, somewhere right there. So I have to get a new boot, which I was hoping I didn't have to do. The other side's popped off, but what are you going to do about it? But yeah, that's it. I adjusted the valves last night. Air cover is covered in dirt. Air cleaner, air filter. Yeah, it's getting there. Trying to do this cheap right now, and once I get everything where I want it, then I'll worry about plastics and other things. Right now I'm worried about front end, making it run better, and brakes, because it has no brakes. So we'll see how things go.